Hi, 8th graders. I'm here with the YouTube lesson today on our vocabulary words, as well as just helping you continue to grow your outline and your research for your upcoming paper. In addition to that, I'm going to encourage you to start your intro to your position paper to begin that process of writing. So let's start with vocab, then I'll talk a little bit about continuing to grow your research, and then the intro. So the first 5 words of vocabulary number 14, number 1 is clairvoyance, which is a noun, and it's the power or faculty of discerning objects not present to the senses, ability to perceive matters beyond the range of ordinary perception. So someone with clairvoyance may have a stronger sense of things that might be going on that seem off, but also things that just aren't ordinary, that people can perceive that it's different. Okay, grimacing is a noun. It's a facial expression, usually of disgust, disapproval, or pain. So if someone grimaces, they're furrowing their brow and they're making a face that makes you know that maybe they're in pain or they're really upset or disgusted by something. Precious is an adjective. It's of great value, so like a precious diamond, or it's a highly esteemed or cherished item or person. So a lot of times people say, babies are precious just because they're new and beautiful and just a miracle and blessing. So that's precious. Next is an artery. So that is a noun, and it's the tubular branching, muscular, and elastic walled vessels, and they carry blood from the heart through the body. Okay, so when people have bypass surgeries on their heart, that means that their arteries are being manipulated to improve blood flow for people who are having problems because of high cholesterol or high blood pressure or whatnot with their hearts. So arteries are what give the blood to supply to our body, and our heart keeps our heart working properly. Dwell is a verb, and it's to remain for a time or to live as a resident. So you dwell in your own homes. So that's what dwell would mean. I'll do the next 5 words next week. So that's your vocabulary, first 5 for today. Now, these words are due next Friday. So you have one more week to get comfortable with these words and become better aware of them and able to use them in sentences so that I know that you understand the meaning of them. All right, so the next thing is continuing to grow that outline with the boxes and bullets that I attached. If you have questions about that, please send me a message or an email. So the boxes and bullets is just a really detailed outline. And when you get into the habit of doing a more detailed outline where you have the actual claim written and you have the reasons and you have pieces of evidence that are building on your reasons and helping your reasons have proof, then your writing flows so much more smoothly. So if you can build an outline that's really strong, your writing will be smooth, your writing will be clear, and you won't repeat yourself. So you want to be strategic with where you put that evidence. So let's say you have a reason and you found 2 pieces of evidence that really benefit that reason, and you were looking for more, and then the next one you saw was evidence that would help a different reason. So keep digging to find reason or evidence that would back up the reason, and be strategic about where you put that evidence for each of your reasons. So you should have an intro paragraph. You should have 3 body paragraphs, each one being one of the reasons backing up that claim or tying with that claim. And then within each of those paragraphs, you have 1 reason and 3 pieces of evidence to back up that reason. So that's paragraph 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then your 5th paragraph should be your counter argument, where you address the other side, and then you bring in more evidence to back that up. And then your 6th paragraph should be your conclusion. Now you can have more paragraphs than that if you'd like, but that's the basics of what you will need to build a really strong position paper. So with the outline, continue to do that research to plug those pieces of evidence in where you think they would best fit to help with your reasons. And then go ahead and start writing your paper. So start with the intro, focus on the intro for Friday, and really make sure you clearly state your claim, what you are claiming to be true. Research shows, or it has been proven, or many people believe, different things like that. State the claim and then give the reasons because. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that should be in your intro. Remember, good intros have good hooks and good leads, so make sure that you're doing that as well. And then you can kind of give a little bit of an idea of what the rest of the paper is going to be about. You don't want to give all your evidence away in your first paragraph, but you just want to give a little hint of what's to come. So work on that intro, make it really strong. Try to shoot for 6 to 8 sentences, maybe even 9 sentences in a paragraph if you can. I'm not going to count the sentences, but I really want you to try to work hard to grow in your writing so that you guys are ready for high school. So that's your lesson for today. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you have a fantastic weekend. I'm hoping for more good weather so we can all get outside and enjoy the sun and enjoy the fresh air. I am thinking about you guys and missing you. I hope you have a great day. Take care. Bye.